Another day, another tortilla recipe, and this one's again fairly simple, but it's one of my favourites. So we mark out the quarters by folding the tortilla. Cut 1/4 for folding. So we start with a chutney. You can use any sort of chutney. This one is actually a rather special one. It's really nice, but you can use Branston, pickle or anything like that. So we start with this nice liberal coating. Cheese goes so really well with chutney, and actually Branston is one of my favourite chutneys. So that's that. Next is the cheddar. Can't beat as much cheddar as we can get on this quarter of a tortilla. The crumbs I can eat afterwards. Next is some rocket or spinach. This is actually a mixture that I bought from the supermarket that's got rocket, spinach and watercress. Slightly unusual, but plenty of that. It compresses, so there's not much space it takes up. So that's that. So we fold over the pickle part, we fold over the side part, tuck that in, and then we put this is just a mixture of tomatoes and spring onions with some salt and pepper. There's going to be a mess on the board afterwards, but we'll eat that. And then the last part we put on a tomato based paste. This is one that I bought. I use it. I always keep some in the van because I use it for mixing with pasta or other things for a quick meal. And it's got, you know, garlic. This one's actually got aubergine and some peppers chopped up, so it's a lot more flavour. But if you haven't got this, you can just use ketchup. So again, I love plenty of sauce. So this goes on like this. And don't worry about getting it right to the edge. When you squeeze it closed, it's going to ooze everywhere. Okay, so that's that. The final part is the final folding. Just take care, fold that over, just gently press it all together. So that is the sandwich made. You can just eat this the way it is. It's actually very nice cold. That was quick, it was just a few minutes. But like with a lot of my tortilla sandwiches, I like to just brown them off in a frying pan with some butter. But like I say, you can eat it just like this. Let's go and fry it. So it's nicely toasted in butter. Let's see how it tastes. That tastes really good. I can actually taste the apple and pear spiced chutney that I put on it. But I've used Branston pickle before. I've used it, I've made it without pickle. I've also used different types of cheeses. This is a mature cheddar, but I've used all sorts of cheeses, especially when I'm traveling. I sometimes like to buy a local cheese. I mean, it's really good with mozzarella as well because that melts and spreads more. But you can vary whatever you put in it, what you've got available at the time. But yeah, it tastes good.